Good afternoon, dear children. Today we have to do bookmark. Material needed: square paper, Fevicol, color sketches, pencil, scissor, and in this back side that white circle. Take one square paper, any color, fold it corner to corner, and press it middle. Then one edges, two edges is there, one edge you have to fold it here. Then the two edges, one in the middle place you have to close, and next one the same you have to fold. Then now the two pieces are there, both you have to insert the first one folding, insert it both, press it nicely. Now we finish the bookmark. After finishing like this paperwork, we have to draw something, whatever you like you can draw. I am doing owl. First take another different color of paper. You have to draw a big one circle and then fold it. And you have to cut the circle. After cutting the circle, you have to paste it. One side you have to put gum. Both sides you have to paste. Let it dry few seconds. After that, draw a eyeball. Take blue sketch, draw the outlines and all. Dark blue sketch, you have to do the outline. Next step, down and all you have to do. Before doing that one, you have to cut like a round shape. Down only, little you have to cut. After cutting, draw a nose. Simply two curves and three zigzag and side slanting lines. Next, this outline also you have to do. All the edges. Finish it with the blue color. After finishing the outline, take on a yellow color paper or orange paper. Draw a diamond shape with pencil. And then you have to cut. This one for peak. In this middle eyeball we have to stick the P. Slightly put a gum. Then you have to paste it near the both eyes. Like this you have to paste. Only in the top of the part. After finishing the owl, like that same I done it. For elephant, grey color paper, you cut like this ears and color it with pink, bottom also pink color. You have to paste it both side, and then this one you have to paste down, trump, fully down or upwards. Okay. After pasting the both ears, put gum. The upwards you have to paste the trump. Don't paste down, towards you have to paste like this. Now we have to draw a eyeball. For eyeball we have to use this back side white circle, no, that one you have to remove it. Both you have to paste it in the two eyes. This bindi back side white, that one exact circle it will come, that only I took that one. After that use black sketch for eyeball. Now another one, smiley. Smiley will circle shape only, no, that one we have to cut like a circle shape. Here we cut it easily, this side. Only the corner you have to cut. After that, this corner and here. Other side don't cut. Now the smiley face came. Now you can use for the books. If you are reading books, you can any page you left and up, see like this. All the pages you can like this. See, elephant, smiley and owl. Like this for book, mark this and that. You can do more variety like this. You can do animals, cake, ice cream. See this. More you can do like this. Millions. Another one bookmarker, angry bird. Like this more you can do. Thank you children. Have a nice day.